Succession planning in business. Succession planning na a father that daughter or son. So grandfather to father, such a way hierarchy is there. So father to son or daughter, their son or daughter. Such a way you want to establish, and that is its hierarchy. Meaning of succession planning. What is the meaning? Succession planning is a process of identifying crucial position within the organization. So what is a crucial position they identify and develop the action plan for individual to assume the position. So they develop a plan. So that plan will help them to achieve the position and understand. They know when to bring in their son, daughter-in-law, grandson into the business. So they will give a crucial position in the business. By giving the position, they will bring into the action. Ensure the right people are available, right job today in the years to come. So when they know this technology we require. So I will make some granddaughter or grandson to study the technology and come and take over my company. It is a good way to companies to ensure that business are fully prepared to promote and advance all employees, not just who are management and executive levels. So, on not only succession level, sir, my son is there, or that is for my own business. In the case of company, you can't put your son or daughter because you are a 20 or 30% stakeholder. There are many persons. So, you now need to choose the talent over money. So, you having stakeholders, so you will find the talent and put in the company, and that company will generate revenue, and that will you get a share over revenue. Such a way you should ready to compromise and find talent and promote not only your directives, directors and executives and rather than the employees you should recognize. Need for succession planning. Why the need? Risk mitigation. Then we reduce the risk. Casual remove, cost of removal. If not, the good people will remove and go. Talent painless because if we not use the talent of an employee, our enemy will find the talent of an employee and take and go. Conflict resolution mechanism. So sometimes the competition is not being cured, that will create a conflict and they will move on. And aligning. So you need to align your company to reach that level of turnover or goal. Business succession strategy. What is that? Step one, four steps are there. Evaluate the key leadership position. What is the position? Who you want to put it? Map the competitiveness requirement of above positions. So that position, who is competent and what is the qualities and quantity education you require, qualification required you see. Identify the competencies of current workforce and all of our employees who is our best. If not, you find outside. Bridge the leader. You can either promote him or you can put him a new, bring a new employee. Such a way you need to find it. Such a way you should only promote it. You can't directly come and say you are the manager. Such a way you can say. Challenges in implementing succession planning. What founder mindset might be different than corporate mindset. Mm, Founder mindset is like I want to hire someone, I want to keep that person for lifelong, provide health for him, provide good for him, provide everything, and he should be with me. I'm taking care of his family. Corporate mindset is not that. We need to find talent, do the work, and go on. If not, we can remove the person. Premature of startups to implement business succession. So the start companies are coming with the business succession. That is a bad plan. After they become succeed, they should come. Before that, it is problem. Founders are face of startups, and in the absence of succession planning, can be become difficult. So founders, example, some companies, Apple is the Steve Jobs was the face. Some point of time, someone came and taking out of their companies. So when they don't recognize someone, so the founder should make someone recognize this person as my next to follow such a way. If he not been given, if he not been placed, then that will become a very bad decision for the company. And some new person come on, they won't be recognized by the companies. It's a big problem. This is what the problems you're facing.